If you want to know how to reset your service oil indicator light on your Jeep Grand Cherokee, all you have to do is press your starter button twice to the run position. So once, twice. Then what we'll do is we'll scroll down on the arrow key here, twice, once, twice. Now as you can see there, it's got the trans temp. So what I'll do now is I'll use the right hand side scroll button. So I'll scroll to the right hand side, and there you go, I've got the oil life service reset. Now that was done 6,274 kilometers ago. So all I need to do now is press the accelerator in and out 3 times within 10 seconds, okay? So I'll turn the ignition off, turn it back on, and then press the accelerator 3 times within 10 seconds. So once on accelerator, twice on accelerator, 3 times on the accelerator. And as you can see, it's been reset.